Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
Hi, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are.
We're so happy you joined us again today.
Yes, because today's topic is something we all need, but many of us find very difficult.
You're right. Today's topic is patience.
Patience. A small word, but such a big life skill.
Yes, and we'll talk about what patience means, why it's important, how to practice it, and how it can change your life.
We'll also share our own stories because trust me, we still have to learn patience too.
Oh yes, this topic teaches us every day.
So, MonaLisa, let's start with the basics. What is patience?
Good question. For me, patience means staying calm when things take longer than we want.
So it's about waiting without anger or stress.
Exactly. Waiting with peace in your heart.
That's not easy.
No, it's not. Because we live in a fast world. We want everything now.
Fast food, fast internet, fast delivery.
Yes, but some good things in life take time, like growing plants, learning English, or building true friendship.
Oh yes, you can't plant a seed today and eat fruit tomorrow.
Exactly. Patience is like water for that seed. Without water, the seed dies. Without patience, our dreams die too.
Wow, that's powerful. So patience means giving time to things that matter.
Yes, it's trusting that good things take time.
I also think patience means controlling your reactions.
What do you mean?
Like when someone says something rude, you don't shout back immediately. You take a deep breath.
Yes, that's emotional patience. Not only waiting for things, but also waiting before reacting.
So we can say there are two main types of patience. Patience with time, waiting for things to happen. Patience with people, controlling our temper with others.
Beautiful.
And maybe a third one. Patience with ourselves, when we make mistakes or need to learn slowly.
Oh, that's very true. Many people are kind to others, but harsh on themselves.
I used to get angry at myself when I couldn't finish something fast, but now I try to say, it's okay, Napoleon, you're learning.
Yes, patience with yourself means understanding that progress takes time. MonaLisa, let's explain why patience is such an important skill in life.
Sure, I think patience helps us make better decisions.
How so?
When we're patient, we don't rush. We think, plan, and choose carefully.
I agree. When you're impatient, you might say or do something you regret later.
Like sending an angry message you wish you hadn't sent.
Oh, that's familiar to many of us.
Patience also helps us learn.
Yes, learning a language, for example, takes patience. You don't learn English in one day.
Right, it's like climbing a mountain. You cannot jump to the top. You climb step by step.
And when you go slowly with patience, you enjoy the view along the way.
Patience also gives peace inside.
Oh yes, that's so true. When you're patient, you don't fight the clock or the world.
You just breathe and say, it's okay, it will come.
Patience helps with relationships too.
Yes, because people are different. They think, talk, and move at different speeds.
Exactly. If you're impatient, you get upset easily. But if you're patient, you understand others better.
Imagine a parent helping a child learn to tie shoes. Without patience, the child feels scared.
But with patience, the child feels supported, and both feel happy.
Friends, patience is like a bridge. It connects our goals with our actions.
Yes, without that bridge, we fall into frustration.
Let's be honest, what happens when we don't have patience?
A lot of problems.
Yes, first we feel stressed, we rush, we get angry fast.
And stress makes everything worse. Our health, our mood, even our relationships.
Without patience, we ruin good days with bad moods.
True. One small delay, like waiting in traffic, can destroy our peace.
Without patience, we give up too early.
Yes, people quit before success comes.
Like a farmer who stops watering before the fruit grows.
Without patience, we push people away.
Yes, when we shout or complain, others don't feel peaceful near us.
And sometimes we make mistakes because we don't wait for all the information.
That's right. Have you ever bought something in a hurry, then later thought, I shouldn't have?
Yes, many times. Impatience makes us careless.
So, impatience can cause stress and anger, giving up too soon, bad choices, and problems with others.
Patience saves us from all of that.
Now, let's talk about patience with time.
Good idea. Many of us struggle with waiting for results.
Yes, we want fast success, fast progress, fast answers,
But some things just need time.
like learning, healing, or growing.
Patience with time means trusting the process.
I like that. Trusting the process is like saying to yourself, I will do my part and let time do the rest.
For example, when you plant a tree, you water it every day. You don't dig it out to check if it's growing.
Yes, that would kill the roots.
Same with dreams. Let them grow. Don't pull them up too soon.
Patience with time also means not comparing yourself to others.
Oh, that's so hard today with social media.
Yes, we see others succeed and think, why not me?
But everyone has a different clock. Your time will come.
I have a quote I love. The flower doesn't worry about the flower next to it. It just blooms.
Beautiful. So, patience means blooming in your own time.
Yes. Friends, maybe your life moves slowly now. That's okay. Keep planting seeds and trust the seasons.
Now let's talk about patience with people. Maybe the hardest part.
Oh, yes, because people can make us impatient easily.
Yes, maybe someone talks too slowly or repeats the same story.
Or maybe someone forgets to do what you asked.
In these moments, we have two choices: react fast with anger, or pause and respond with patience.
The second one always works better.
My trick is to breathe and count to 5 before I speak.
That's good. It gives your brain a second to think.
Another tip, try to understand why the person is slow or forgetful. Maybe they're tired, sad, or distracted.
Yes, when we see the reason, we feel more patient.
Also, remember that you make mistakes too.
Oh, yes, I forget things all the time.
So be as patient with others as you want others to be with you.
Patience with people makes our relationships stronger.
And it makes us kinder because we stop reacting with anger and start reacting with understanding.
Now, this one is big, MonaLisa. Patience with ourselves.
Yes, many people are kind to others, but impatient with themselves.
Like saying, I should be successful already, or I should speak perfect English.
Yes, but learning takes time. Healing takes time. Growth takes time.
I used to compare my speed with others in school. I felt slow.
What did you do?
One teacher told me, you are not slow. You are just thorough. Slow progress is still progress.
That's lovely.
So now when I learn something new, I remind myself, step by step.
I do the same.
Friends, please don't be harsh with yourself. If you fail, it's okay. You can try again.
Every mistake is part of the learning journey.
Patience with yourself builds confidence because you stop hating your process.
And when you're kind inside, you shine outside. Let's give our listeners some practical ideas for practicing patience.
Yes, easy steps anyone can follow.
Step 1. Pause before reacting.
Don't answer messages or people too fast when you're angry.
Step 2. Take deep breaths.
When you feel stress, breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. It calms the brain.
Step 3. Use waiting time profitably.
Oh yes, read, listen to music, or just observe people instead of complaining when waiting.
Step 4. Say to yourself, this too will pass.
That sentence helps me so much because it's true. Nothing lasts forever.
Step 5. Celebrate small progress.
Like saying, I waited calmly today when the bus was late. Good job, me.
Step 6. Reduce speed sometimes.
Yes, eat slowly, walk slowly, enjoy moments.
Step 7. Practice gratitude.
When you count your blessings, you feel less impatient for more.
Step 8. Practice with small things.
Like waiting 1 minute before opening your phone or standing last in a line for fun.
Step 9. Remember stories of patience.
Like people who waited years for dreams, scientists, artists, parents.
Step 10. Encourage others to be patient too.
When we teach patience, we practice it even more.
Napoleon, do you have a personal story about patience?
Oh, yes, many. One big one, when I applied for my first job, I sent my resume to many companies. I waited and waited, no reply.
How long?
Almost 2 months.
That's long.
I wanted to give up, but I told myself, just wait, something good will come. Then one company finally called me, and that job changed my life.
Perfect example. Patience brought reward. I have one too. I was once learning to play the guitar. I wanted to sound good immediately, but my fingers hurt. My chords were wrong. I got frustrated.
Did you think about quitting?
Yes, many times. But I said, be patient, MonaLisa. After a few months, I started playing real songs. Now I love it.
See? With patience, we become who we want to be.
Yes, and every delay teaches us something.
Exactly. The waiting time is not wasted time if we learn in it.
Let's explore patience in different areas of life.
Okay, let's start with work.
At work, patience helps with coworkers and tasks. Sometimes you have to wait for teamwork or someone's reply.
Yes, if you rush, you make mistakes. If you wait, you build respect.
At school, patience helps students not give up when lessons are difficult.
Yes, learning algebra or grammar takes repetition and calm practice.
At home, patience keeps peace with family.
Especially with kids or elderly people. They move or think at different speeds.
Exactly. Patience creates peace in the home.
You know, MonaLisa, I've noticed something beautiful.
What is it?
When I'm patient, I feel more peaceful inside.
Me too. It's like all the noise around me becomes quiet.
Yes, impatience is like a storm. Patience is like a calm river.
That's beautiful.
When you practice patience, you feel lighter, kinder, and happier.
True, because you stop fighting time and people.
Patience isn't only a skill, it's a way of life.
And it connects with other virtues, kindness, forgiveness, and self-control.
Yes, patience is the root of many good things.
Friends, let's do a short reflection together.
Okay, I love this part.
Take a deep breath.
Inhale slowly, exhale slowly.
Think of one situation that tested your patience recently. Maybe waiting, maybe anger, maybe disappointment.
Picture it in your mind.
Now ask yourself, next time, how can I react differently?
Maybe breathe, maybe smile, maybe say nothing.
That's how patience grows, one choice at a time.
Exactly. Every small patient action trains your heart.
We've talked about so much today.
Yes, what patience is, why we need it, how to practice, and stories about it.
And I hope our listeners feel inspired to slow down a little.
Friends, we live in a fast world, but beautiful things grow slowly.
Yes, flowers, friendships, languages, dreams, all need time.
Let's remember one simple line. Patience is the bridge between today and tomorrow.
Beautiful.
This week, when you feel frustrated, say to yourself, breathe, be patient. Everything will be fine.
Yes, repeat that like a small prayer.
Patience brings clarity. It helps you see that every moment has a reason.
Even waiting can be a gift if you use it well.
Friends, practice patience today. With time, with people, with yourself.
You'll see life become softer, calmer, and happier.
Thank you for joining us on the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe, share, and tell us in the comments what helps you stay patient.
We'd love to read your stories and maybe share them next time.
Until then, stay peaceful
Stay patient.
and keep smiling. Bye-bye.